Alright, so here's our campground at River Breeze RV Resort in Ehrenberg, Arizona. About 200 miles from Phoenix. 250, 300 miles from Disneyland. So, here's the setup like we typically do. Nothing fantastic, you know. We have just the TV outside, usually because we don't like to be cramped up in the trailer. We use the ice chest as a coffee table, easy to get drinks. As you can see, they try to keep the grass a grassy area. There's a lot of rules about grass. You have to park your truck on the side of the road. Can't park it in the grass, which is probably very helpful with keeping the grass up. You have your typical water spout. You have free DirecTV. You have your sewage, which sucks for these guys because that's their view, the sewage pipe. Your normal 50 amp, 30 amp, 110. Always use a surge protector. Not much to it, packed in here like sardines, but as you can hear, it is very, very quiet. One thing you can hear is a few air conditioners running, and that's because it's the end of March. When we got here, it was like 86 degrees. The sun is going down now, so it's beautiful out. If you have Verizon Wi-Fi, it's a little rough. Sprint really stinks out here. Not very good. But they do offer Wi-Fi in the park. I think you have to pay like $2 a day or something silly like that. It's not worth it for one night, really, if you got free cable. Yeah?
I already dipped on that anyways. And see it again. What? On that. There's all those dogs.
Very busy park. Got some full timers here too, I think. Or at least snowbirds. Doggy park. Little playground. Benches, fire pits, horseshoe pits, boat ramp, and the Colorado River. What? I hope whoever that person is made it out of the river's shoes. Very slippery, use at your own risk. Got a boondocker over there on the other side. Not costing him any money. Some ducks on the water. Is it cold? River, so if you have any toys. Cool thing about this park is full hookups. I paid $21.97 with tax for one night. It's the first timer's fee. So if you're driving between here and California and you just want to stop and have full hookups for 20 bucks, this is a place to do it. Not much of the town, not much going on. The other RV parks in Ehrenberg are pretty crappy looking. Blythe is close by, so there's fast food, mom and pop restaurants. We ate at Garcia's in Blythe. Not the chain, a little mom and pop place. It was okay. It was average. Packed though. Must be the local Mexican food place. So we decided just to stop here so we didn't have to drive the full 5 hours or 6 hours back from Disneyland, Anaheim RV. So we could just chill for one more night on spring break with the kids.
I didn't get a shot of the front of the RV park before. Looks like they sell propane here. Propane sales Monday through Friday only. So that's cool. You don't even have to travel for propane. I know inside they had ice, 2 ice machines. Got a trash can. Self-registration stations. Looks like you can just come in and park overnight. There's a drop slot over here for payment, I guess. Or restroom codes. I guess you can just make a payment in there. Well, that's how you register. So it says sorry about that. So it says standard site's 42 bucks, Good Sam discount 37, 33.50 military and Good Sam. Wi-Fi $1 per day. I did not get that. Should have. trusting here.
This is the pool area. No diving, no smoking. As you can see, mostly retirement. I would assume they're all 55 and older. I don't see any other kids in this park. Matter of fact, when we pulled up, it was kind of like, look at kids. So, not a big deal. Righty. Bathroom. Bathroom facilities. Urinal and toilet. Changing room, I guess. Or, no, handicap shower. Another shower? Yeah, so another little shower. That is the only bathroom on site. It's very pretty out here as far as weather and the river. There are some campgrounds I can't get any information on YouTube, so I decided every one I go to I'm gonna film, and that way anybody can see exactly what's here, so you know what you're getting yourself into. If you like this video, please subscribe below and give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, please leave a respectable comment below, and try to do better next time. Thanks for watching.